I'm Brittany with WTI, and when a job's gonna get dirty, you gotta cover up.
And these overall workwear coveralls by Active Uniforms was exactly what me and my husband needed for our new job. We are doing a lot more landscaping or jobs where you're out in the elements. I just appreciated how easy these are to put on. You can put it over any clothing that you have, even if you're wanting to layer up, put sweaters, sweats, anything like that. It works so well. We're also now starting to clean parking lots. So this is a very dirty job. It fits not only me so well, but also my husband. It fits his larger, longer frame. It has the mobility that we need for when we're working hard, bending down. It truly is going to help you to be active in any job you're needing to do. I appreciated the side pockets that they have on each side of the cover overalls. I also like that it has a slit that allows you to have access to the pockets of the pants that you're wearing underneath. It also has great back pockets, upper pockets. It has a zipper and a 2-button clasps. The elastic waistline on the back allows it to keep a little bit of form, flexibility. I'm often having to bend down into dirt, in asphalt, and I'm going to get really dirty. And that's what I love about this. It protects all of my clothes, so now I only have to wash one item of clothing. Both me and my husband love them.
I absolutely love it. It looks great on both me and my husband. Definitely check it out. But that's just our point of view.